Maybe she's Lisa. Hey Lisa.
Hey.
It's been ages. How have you been? Oh, I know. I've been doing pretty well, thanks. How about you? Same here, just keeping busy with work and stuff.
Actually, yes. I started a new job recently. It's been quite an adjustment, but I'm enjoying the change.
That's awesome. What kind of job is it? I'm working in marketing at a tech company. It's been a lot to learn, but it's been really interesting. Tech, huh? That sounds challenging. How's the work environment? Surrounded by some really talented people. Plus, the company culture is fantastic. That's fantastic to hear. So, how are you managing the new routine? Been a bit overwhelming at times, but I'm getting the hang of it. There's a lot to absorb, but I'm up for the challenge. I have no doubt you'll excel. By the way, we should definitely catch up more. How about we plan something soon? Love that. Let's set a date. Coffee this weekend, perhaps? Coffee sounds perfect. How about Saturday afternoon? Sounds good to me. I'll mark it in my calendar. Can't wait to hear more about what you've been up to too. It's a plan then. Looking forward to it. It was really nice running into you today. Agreed, let's not wait so long next time. Take care and see you on Saturday. You too, bye for now. Bye.
Practical tips and takeaways. Warm greeting. Start with a friendly greeting to set a positive tone. Sharing news. Talk about recent developments in your life, like a new job. Asking questions. Keep the conversation flowing by asking questions about your friend's experiences. Expressing interest. Show genuine interest in your friend's updates. Making plans. Suggest future meetups to strengthen your friendship. If you found this practice valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.